Hey guys, this is Dr. Estes, Executive Director of the Southeastern Grasslands Initiative. It is a hot day out here in the Prairie at Dunbar Cave, and we are droning on and on out here as we've got Austin Peay State University's GIS Center has very kindly come out and is using their aerial drone to take some footage of the prairie. And one of the things that we hope to get from that aerial footage is so we can have very clearly defined aerial maps that show, for example, all that tall grass that you see there, the invasive Johnson grass. Having that aerial footage will allow us to see how that zone of Johnson grass can contract over time as we begin to manage it with herbicide and with, in the case of some other non-natives like Queen Anne's lace, through hand pulling. And so we can get a good idea of the relative abundance of some of these invasives. The other thing I want to point out today that's kind of going on in the prairie, a friend of mine asked me how many pollinators we're beginning to see. I've typically been out here late in the afternoon, early evening. I've been seeing a lot of small moth species, which of course are beyond my ability to identify. But right now I'm here in the heat of the day. It's approximately 2 o'clock, and there are a ton of small bee species out here, even some really unusual, what appear to be bumblebees that are visiting some of these flowers. I don't know if I can get any footage to show you, but I do want to kind of show you what it's like to be sort of down among these beautiful grasses. Check this out. Well, the grasses and wildflowers here. And I find that if you sit down in it, you can really begin to, if you just kind of take a moment and look around you, there's a lot of pollinators that you might miss if you're up at, say, 6 feet off the ground like I am looking down. But what a cool experience. I'm gonna just kind of pan around and let you guys take a look. You got the wind blowing through the black-eyed Susans. A lot of great stuff out here. Oh, there goes a butterfly right there. Looks like a yellow sulfur butterfly, perhaps. Up above, you might be able to see the drone. And we have some small insects here. It looks some type of small beetle, for example. Well, I hope you're enjoying this as much as I am, sitting out here in 90-degree weather in baking sun, taking a look at this.